Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, ladies and gentlemen, today we will be talking about skill 2, listening for negatives. About the negative expression, ladies and gentlemen, negative expressions are very common in the short dialogues. The most common kind of correct response to a negative statement is a positive statement containing a word with an opposite meaning. For examples, on the recording you hear woman said, "Did you get a lot of work done at the library today?" The man replied, "I couldn't. It wasn't very quiet here." Once again, "I couldn't. It wasn't very quiet there." And the narrator asks, "What does the man mean?" In your textbook, you read A. The library was noisy. B. He got a lot of done. C. He couldn't quite get to the library today. And D, the library is a good place to work because it's quiet. The correct answer is A. If it was not quiet in the library, this means that it was noisy. Notice that the correct answer uses noisy, the opposite of quiet. The following table shows how negatives can be tested on the TOEFL test. For examples, Tom is not sad about results. Not sad means happy. The door isn't open. Isn't open has the same meaning as closed. Steve did not pass the class. Did not pass means failed. Exercise. Choose the correct answer. A woman said, "You made so many mistakes in this homework." Man, "I wasn't very careful." And then the narrator asked, "What does the man mean?" "He was rather careless. He does not care about mistakes. He took care of the work at home. He did not carry the work home." Which one is right? Okay, so pay attention to the man's sentence. "I wasn't very careful." Wasn't very careful means that he is careless, right? Okay, so the correct one is he was rather careless. A. Okay. Next, man said, "Is there a lot of soup?" "I'm kind of hungry." The woman replied, "Sorry, there is not a lot." And the narrator asks, "What does the woman mean?" Okay, so pay attention to the sentence. Sorry, there is not a lot. Okay, there is not a lot means there is not a lot of soup. Okay, what does it mean? There is only a little soup. Okay, the correct one is C. Okay, the next one, woman said, "How was the weather on your trip?" And the man answered, "There wasn't a cloud in the sky." And the narrator asks, "What does the man mean?" Okay, A, it was cloudy. B, he couldn't see the sky. C, it wasn't very crowded. D, there was a lot of sunshine. There was a lot of sunshine. Okay, which one? There wasn't a cloud in the sky means that there is no cloud. Okay, it means that there was a lot of sunshine. The correct answer is D. That's all, ladies and gentlemen, what we could talk today. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.